In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Figma with Auto-layout. Responsive table. Open your design so you have a frame or artboard ready to work on. Start by creating a single table cell. Type your text, then press Shift+A to wrap that text in an auto-layout frame. Add vertical and horizontal padding, so the cell has comfortable breathing room. In the right panel, set the frame's resizing to fill container. This tells the cell to stretch and share space when placed inside a row or table. Duplicate this cell multiple times to create a full row. Select all of those cells together and press Shift+A again to place them inside an auto-layout frame. That gives you a row. Set the horizontal gap between the cells to 0 so the edges meet cleanly, like a real table grid. With the row selected, click into each cell and set the width to fill container. This ensures every cell flexes evenly when the row grows or shrinks. Now duplicate the entire row as many times as you need for your table. Select all the rows together, press Shift+A. And set the spacing between items to 0 so here is no vertical gap. In the auto layout settings, switch the flow to vertical. That stacks the rows neatly and makes the whole table behave as one responsive component. Select the entire table frame and give it a background color to define the table area. Then select the first row and fill it with a darker gray to create a clear header. Next, select each individual row and confirm that their horizontal resizing is set to fill container. This keeps every row expanding to match the table's width. If needed, press Shift+A again to ensure the auto layout is applied consistently so everything remains responsive and aligned. At this point, you can drag the table's edges anywhere, and it will resize smoothly. The auto layout foundation is set. And your responsive table is ready. Because every cell and row uses fill container, columns will adjust proportionally, and content will stay aligned without manual tweaks. Now, customize your data inside the table frame. Replace placeholder text with your real labels, numbers, or titles. You can also fine-tune padding values for a tighter or roomier look, and adjust the header color for better contrast and readability. Keep an eye on alignment as you edit to maintain a clean, consistent structure. That's it. Thanks for watching.